How to buy Crunchyroll subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy a subscription on Crunchyroll. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Crunchyroll app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile section shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on subscription under membership. And now here in this section, you can just tap on Go Premium. And once you do that, on the next page, you will see the option of a premium plan. So here, simply select the premium plan, and after that you can just tap on start subscription. And once you do that, on the next page you simply have to choose your payment method. So here, just choose your payment method such as debit or credit card or PayPal, and here with that, just confirm your subscription by paying the amount. And once you do that, many users can try Crunchyroll Premium free for 7 days before being charged, and that's it. That's how you can buy a Crunchyroll subscription and get a Crunchyroll Premium. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.